Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread balls using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all our simple ingredients, like 3 ripe bananas and 1 1/2 cups of flour. Then, we'll quickly mash the bananas and mix them with the wet ingredients. After that, we'll combine the dry ingredients and gently fold everything together. Finally, we'll shape our delicious dough into small, uniform balls, ready for baking. Now, let's get our dough ready. First, mash about 3 very ripe bananas in a large bowl until they are mostly smooth. Next, in another bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a separate bowl. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to shape and bake our delicious banana bread balls. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare a baking sheet by lightly greasing it or lining it with parchment paper. Then, using a small cookie scoop or 2 spoons, form the dough into 1-inch diameter balls. Place them about 2 inches apart on the prepared sheet. Bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Almost done. Once your banana bread balls are baked, let them cool on a wire rack for about 10 minutes. While they cool, you can whip up a quick glaze. Simply whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Drizzle this sweet glaze over the slightly warm or completely cooled balls. These delightful treats are perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Enjoy your homemade banana bread balls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.